Today I'll show you the fastest way to share editable diagrams, just like you used to do with Draw.io, with anyone, even people outside your Confluence workspace. If you've ever collaborated on visual projects, you know how important it is to quickly get feedback or input from teammates or clients, no matter what platform they're on. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to share editable diagrams or whiteboards created inside Confluence's new built-in tools. It's simple once you know where to look. Let's dive right in. Now, you might have noticed that Draw.io isn't available directly in Confluence anymore. Atlassian has replaced it with their own native tools for diagrams and whiteboards. Don't be caught off guard if you can't find the Draw.io option. It's not missing. It's just been swapped out for these new features, which actually work a lot like Draw.io and have very similar sharing capabilities. To get started, open the Confluence page where you want your diagram or whiteboard. Instead of searching for Draw.io, you'll want to use the / command. For diagrams, type /diagram, or for whiteboards, type /whiteboard. This trick tells Confluence you want to embed a visual space right into your page. As soon as you type that in, you'll notice a new tab opens up. This is the editor. It might take a second to load, but give it a moment. Once it opens, you're in a full-featured editor, ready to build your diagram or brainstorm ideas just like before. Create your diagram or sketch out your whiteboard the way you normally would. For example, you might map out a project timeline, draw a flowchart, or create a quick mind map for your next team session. The editor will save your work automatically, so you don't need to stress about losing anything. Now, here's the part that matters most: sharing your masterpiece with people outside Confluence. Once you're done editing, look up at the top right corner of the editor. You'll see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on that. If you're like me, you might pause for a moment here, wondering if this will let folks outside your Confluence group actually join in, but don't worry, it will. When you click Share, you'll get two powerful options. You can either copy a link to your diagram or whiteboard, or you can invite someone directly by typing in their email address. If you copy the link, you can paste it into an email, a chat, or wherever you communicate with your collaborators. This link gives them direct access, even if they're not inside your Confluence organization. Super handy for working with clients, contractors, or anyone else who needs editing powers. Alternatively, if you know exactly who should have access, just type their email into the invite box. This makes it a bit more secure and gives you control over exactly who can jump in and edit. After you've either shared the link or sent the invites, make sure to set the right access permissions. Usually, you'll want to give them edit rights so they can make changes side by side with you. Don't worry, it's just a couple quick clicks to add or adjust their access. And that's it. Just like that, your diagram or whiteboard is not just viewable but editable by anyone you need, without jumping through hoops or searching for plugins. Remember, these built-in tools are designed to make collaboration as seamless as possible. They're here to help you work with anyone, anywhere, even if they didn't start the project with you. If this walkthrough helped you out, let me know by hitting that like button. Any questions or need clarification on a step, leave a comment below. I love helping troubleshoot or give extra tips. And if you want more clear, practical tutorials like this, subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss our next guide. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.